This is the iPhone 14 Pro, and I, JulianTechTM, wants to be the first person in Singapore to buy it at the Apple Store after using Pixel phones for the last 5 years. You would think it's an easy thing to do. Just go down to the Apple Store early and queue, right? Nope, it was not. It was not. This is my journey. Funny enough, when I'm in Sim Lim Square, which is a very messy mall, I feel like I'm at home. In the Apple Store where everything's very neat, I feel very disorientated. Let's go see the Mac. It's very dusty.
If you don't mind just stopping like your camera.
We got kicked out, so apparently you can't interview any of them. Basically, they can't give me any information whether they got stocks. I'm not sure whether it's pre-order or I can just queue. So you know what? I'm just gonna go back and pre-order. Oh no. I'm too late. So this iPhone 14 Pro Max, 256GB, deep purple. Apple Store pickup is currently unavailable. If I order it, it will come in October. What am I gonna do? I didn't know. Let me think about it. Okay. No worries. I'm not very experienced with Apple products, but my friend told me sometimes people cancel their orders and they will refresh the site and sometimes I have chance. Okay, so I don't know. Let's see what will happen.
A few moments later.
Okay, I did it. Not exactly as planned. Two things wrong with this order. So I did put it at the start that this is going to be sponsored by Casify. And Casify only gave me their iPhone 14 Pro Max. Unfortunately, the only one that is in stock for store pickup is the iPhone 14 Pro. And another thing, they only had the 1TB version. I had to pay $2,479 for a phone. I could have gotten another gaming PC, another editing PC with that money. I could have bought an RTX 3080 Ti and all I get is an iPhone 14 Pro. But you know what? I'm gonna try to ask Casify if they have the Pro instead of the Pro Max. I mean, good news is 8 AM. I'll be there at 8 AM. So even though I have the 8 AM slot, I'll be one of the first few. I want to be the first, so I'm gonna go there early. How early? 12 hours. This video is brought to you by Casify. Casify cases are designed to protect your phone from ridiculous heights. From 8.2 feet for the impact case to the bounce case at 21.3 feet. Casify cases are also made from 65% recycled and plant-based material, and you can personalize your case to suit your style. Unfortunately, I don't have an iPhone 14 to test the case out, but they did send me one for my Pixel 6. So let's test the case. It's good. No new cracks. This one was before the case. I can prove it. Didn't hit the camera. Again. No new cracks. Back to the iPhone. So the mindset of me going into this is that I'm gonna treat it as NS outfield. I've been in the jungle for 3 nights before, so 12 hours in an urban area shouldn't be a problem. And because of that, I do have experience of prepping, making life easier. So I have here a list on problems that needs to be solved. Food, water, hot, cold, rainy weather, comfort, and entertainment. So for food, I don't think there's a lot of need for food. It's just 12 hours, just a bit of snacks here and there so that you just don't get hungry. It's more comfort food than anything. Water, it's always good to have water. Hydration, always important. Singapore, very hot, humid. For hot weather, I plan to wear white and to have a spray so I can cool my face off. Cold weather, I'm gonna bring a jacket. For raining weather, I'm gonna bring a poncho and umbrella. For comfort, I'm just going with a chair. I can go like next level and bring a yoga mat and a sleeping bag, but I don't think I need that. 12 hours, I'm not gonna sleep. I can just keep myself entertained, which leads me to entertainment. I'm gonna bring a Switch. I want to play Breath of the Wild. I have not played Breath of the Wild yet. Then you have other things that are very useful like portable batteries. And especially because I'm gonna record, I need extra batteries for my camera. Even for the choice of bag, even though I brought my NS bag, I'm probably not gonna bring this because this is not waterproof. I'll probably bring my camera bag because I can waterproof the bag. Other than that, yeah, I'm gonna bring this back and I'll see you. Alright, Q day. It's 6 PM now. I have bought everything. So I'm gonna bring the Think Tank instead of the NS bag because this Think Tank camera bag Has a lot of compartments and it has a waterproof bag with the bag. I do have a poncho. This is from Decathlon. Our sponsor for today, KC5. I'm gonna bring all 4 of them. Tripod for my camera, this camera. Portable batteries. I got 2. So I have camera charger, batteries. And then we have cables. So I have this multi-cable. Then we have the switch. Breath of the Wild. Wet wipes. Spray bottle with water. Just regular water. Yes. Water bottle, very important. Human beings. Snacks. Umbrella. And the Decathlon chair. This chair, been out in the field before. Let's try this out. Not that bad. If I will compare this weight, these items with my last ICT, I would say this is like 1/3 of it. At 7, we're gonna take, when I say we, me and my cameraman, we're gonna take public transport because I'm spending way too much money already. So let's go. Bruh. I didn't expect a queue. This is Courts. I'm not quite sure what they're queuing for. I go ask. Are they queuing for the iPhone? What time did they start queuing?
Around 4 or 5 p.m.
4?
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Jesus, I thought I was early. Okay, we go Apple Store. It looks like the queue haven't started yet, but everyone's just waiting around to queue. Hi, are y'all waiting to queue for the iPhone?
Yeah.
You're just waiting for the queue, is it? Like, cannot queue yet, is it?
We cannot buy offline.
Ah.
That,
So why y'all sit here? Why y'all not queuing? Cannot queue yet.
We're waiting for some opportunity or
Oh.
some new. Yeah.
Right. I have no idea what to do. Should I just sit at the side? Because the seats are all occupied already. What do I do? What do I do? Okay, I'm gonna ask them inside. So I can't record them. I'm just gonna talk to them, okay? They have no information and the only way to get it is online. I did pre-order mine online, so I can get this at 8. I don't know what to do. Anxiety. Security is coming. I'm just here for a while only, just for a while. Do you want sweets? Anyone? No? Marshmallow? Anybody want sweets? No? I try my friends. Doesn't work. Nobody want my friends with me? Since I don't need to worry about toilet breaks anymore. Okay, here's the situation. There is no queue happening in the Apple Store. What happened was they told them no queue, but Courts have queue, but they're taking in no queue. It's full already. So I did ask from the geniuses. They only said only the pre-order will have it tomorrow. And if you know, I did pre-order, so at least positive. Yes. So here's the thing. I don't mind queuing up for 12 hours, but there's no point queuing up for 12 hours. I'm about working hard, but also working smart. So I'm just gonna go back home, lighten my load because no one wants sweets anyway. Rest and come back in 5 a.m. The thing that I'm very disappointed is that I'm hoping to get a Pro Max because I have Pro Max cases. KC5 also sent me for my Pixel 6, so we can do a fun test. Camera side. Thank you KC5 for sponsorship. I'm just a bit disappointed that there's no queue. Phone is okay. Thank you KC5 again for sponsoring. Yo, so it's 5:20 at the moment. I'm trying to keep my voice down because people are sleeping. They barricaded outside the Apple Store as though they're preparing for a queue. But I thought it's just pre-order. Maybe the queue is just for pre-order, but that looks like a lot for just pre-orders. I'm hoping for the best, preparing for the worst. Although I did go back home and sleep, I am still damn tired. One thing that I brought that's going to be very useful is my spray bottle. Even though it's 5:20, it's actually damn humid today. It's hot. I feel very sticky. So feels good. I have at least 2 hours to wait. Just wait and see lah. See what happens. I'll keep you guys updated.
They don't have museum. Now today, strictly today, whole day is only online only. If got Apple will go online again. If that's mean you can both check online.
For this year, all online.
Yes, all online.
Okay, so what happened there was the security guy just telling everyone that you cannot even get into the Apple building without an online order. So they are asking, how about later in the day? And they said like, no, today, whole day is just online orders. So a lot of them are very frustrated, I guess, and a bit disappointed because the website doesn't really state anything. So it's a bit of a fanatic situation at the moment. Kind of feel sad for everyone because you can see like yesterday, my cameraman was talking to one of the guys that were waiting at 8 a.m. You can see they were real Apple fans. They get one iPhone for their wife, one iPhone for the kids, and one iPhone for themselves. They're really excited by the 48 megapixel camera, the dynamic island. So it's a little bit of a low blow for Apple's side to do that to your fan base. Just
That's what I feel. Keep you guys updated. So it's 6:30 now. So they just did another update, basically telling them you can buy online. You can order it online. They release more iPhones online. I feel like I'm waiting here for nothing. I'm just gonna get coffee. They just randomly open up. Everyone ran. Cameraman is here now. Time update 2 minutes to 7. They open up the line like randomly, like from nowhere. Not the first, but never mind. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. It looks like there's someone at the front gonna check whether you did your pre-orders. Very messy. Very messy. Like, there's still a lot of people walking around. I'm just gonna stand around.
Hello, I'm just here to give my support to this crazy bastard who's in the queue. I don't know how he does it lah, but good luck to him. Thank you.
It's getting hot. It's a lot of people. Sun's coming up. What's up? So what's this? Am I ordering now?
Yes, correct.
So here's the thing. I actually pre-ordered already for 8 a.m. But I want another one. What time do they can they collect?
The other one is 2:45 onwards.
Oh, 2:45
Yeah, that's the only slot we have.
Alamak, then okay. I guess I queued for nothing. So like what time will the pre-order queue start?
That one you will be starting soon, 5 minutes before.
Where do I wait? Because I kind of want to be the first.
Oh,
You know?
then you wait at the side down there.
Oh, that side lah. I queued for nothing. So basically they're ordering for the 2 p.m. slot. So they order, then they come back at 2 p.m. But I got AM slot already. So basically I'm going to have to queue back there for the 8 a.m. slot. Let's go. Hi, is this for the pre-order or is this they're trying to order it? And later on the pre-order, yeah, 8 a.m.
8 a.m.
The other side?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Thanks. So it's the other side. Hi, sir.
What time is your slot?
8 a.m.
8 a.m.? Okay,
Yeah.
please come on in.
Awesome. Finally, I get to the right queue. Not the first. So messy. So let's recap what happened. I went to this queue. This queue was the order. That guy told me the queue was back there. Went there, told me it was back here, and now I'm here. Yes. Okay, time check. 7:57. They're all standing at the entrance. They're gonna do the clap. They're gonna do the clap. I've seen it on YouTube. I've seen it on YouTube. Oh, we're gonna start now. 3, 2. Oh, I'm the only one outside doing it. Yeah. Yeah. Yes. All right. All right. All right. Thank you. All right. Fist bump. Fist bump. Anybody? Anybody? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Thank you very much. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Okay, where do I get my phone? Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, do you want to do this part? All right. It's all yours.
Yay.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
I got it. I got it.
I want to buy.
So I will say, I'm the first one leaving this area with an iPhone 14 because I don't need to talk to them. I'm just gonna get my iPhone 14. Yes, I got it. I got it. Where's my cameraman? I don't know whether this is a good idea. We try to be very delicate, but let's do the unboxing experience outside the Apple store. I'm shaking because I'm so tired. I'm putting it on the floor because I'm very scared. Oh, look at that. It's the Deep Purple Pro phone. It's so hot. Oh, you don't understand. Everyone is looking at me. Look at that. The Pro camera bump is huge. I know I'm shaking. I'm so tired. Legit, everyone is around. Everyone is taking a picture of me. What's up? I'm a model today. Oh, that's so hilarious. I did get the Pro, not the Pro Max, because the Pro Max was sold out for pre-order. I got the Deep Purple, so this is 6.1 inch. Camera is 48 megapixel. Front camera is 12 megapixel. Oh, look at that! Hello, hello. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it back. I'm shaking. Okay, like that. Okay, put it back. Okay, so this is the end of the video. It has actually a fun experience. It's so messy, but still fun experience. I met a friend, did an interview, won $500 Apple gift card, and then CNN, cool day. Don't regret. I was actually quite worried like at 8 p.m. that I'm not gonna have good content, but I think everything turned out great. Thank you KC5 once again for sponsoring this video. Really thank them. Because of them, I can do this video. I was like thinking, I always wanted to do an iPhone video. Like I wanted to do it last year, but I just didn't have a good reason to do it. And because of KC5, they really pushed this idea, and so thank you KC5 once again. A lot of you have been asking me to diversify my content to not just do PCs, and I always wanted to do phones. I just didn't know how to really get into phones in terms of the Singapore content creation. So I feel like a content like this is more fun, intro to phones. So let me know if you want to see more about the iPhone 14 or even Samsung phone, Google Pixel. Let me know if you have any questions about the 14, about any other phones. Let me know what you want to see. Yeah, thank you so much again. Comment in the comment section below. Like this video. Remember to subscribe. Sean Wong actually subscribed already. Someone tell me, hey, Sean Wong got subscribed. Thank you, Sean Wong. This outro damn long, but it's been a very, very, very fun experience actually. Thank you, and I'm done.